In this video, I'll show you how to redeem codes on your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Access the Nintendo eShop. From the home menu, select the Nintendo eShop icon. This is an orange icon. Sign in with your Nintendo account if prompted. Step 2. Go to redeem the code. On the left menu, scroll down and select Enter Code. The code entry screen will then appear. Step 3. Enter your code. Carefully enter your code. This code has 16 characters. Enter them on the on-screen keyboard. Double check for typos before submitting. Step 4. Confirm and download. Confirm the details of the game or content. Select Redeem to add the content to your account and start the download. Step 5. Enjoy! And that's how you redeem codes on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.